everyone, welcome to my channel. Now in this video we are going to generate the various signals which are used in signals and systems. So how we can execute and generate the signal operation and signals we'll see. To perform the operation between the signals, first we should know how to generate those signals. So now let us move on to the actual topic, that is generation of various signals. So in this video I am going to explain about sinusoidal and cosinusoidal signal generation. So first statement is what, as we all know, so we have to write these two commands to clear the previous contents. So CLC and clear all I have given. Next is what, to generate any signal I should give time. So we can start from negative axis to positive also, no issues. So I am starting with origin, that's it. So next, so time is given. Next is what, I have to define the signal. So there are predefined commands in this software. So if I write sine, then this is predefined command. So directly I can give sine t. So next, I need to plot the waveforms for continuous as well as discrete. Now in this program I am generating continuous signal. So that's why I am giving plot. So you can see plot, what, x-axis comma y-axis. That's it. So plot t comma s. We can give x label as time, y label as amplitude, and the title as sine signal. That's it. This is about the first figure. So this is a simple program. But so now I want to see the sine and cos signals in a single window. To do that one, what we have to do is, this is a common program. If you execute also, it will generate the signals. So let me execute that one. So I am giving certain name to generate this. Now you can see, let me execute once again. So let me run this one. So it is asking certain name. So I am giving the program name. Now you can see it is generating a sinusoidal signal. So this is a simple program, but I want to see sine and cos signals in the same window. So what I am doing here is, after plot or after giving this signal, what I should write is subplot. So I am dividing my graphic window into certain parts. How that dividing part is done means, so now I am giving you C. So 2 1 1. The first two elements indicates a matrix size, that is a 2 by 1 matrix. So the complete window is divided into 2 rows and 1 column. Next, in that the position of the figure is first one. So first what we'll get a sinusoidal signal. Next is what? So subplot for the same program I am writing. So 2 1 1 is completed. I am giving 2 1 2. So next, plot t comma. Sorry, I should give the signal. So S1 signal is sinusoidal signal I am writing. Now S2 signal is what? Cos signal. Cos is also a predefined function. So let me give cos t. Next, now I need to plot. So plot what? T comma S2. Because S1 signal is sine, already I have plotted that one. So whatever you give here, you have to define it in the plot. That's it. So plot is done. Next is what? X label, Y label. I am not typing, just I am copy pasting because the axis definitions and variables are same. So now we'll see. First execution we have seen, in only one window we got the signal. Now you see you got two signals. The title is sine and sine because I did not change here. So if I put cosine signal, now you see sine signal and cosine signal. In the same graphic window, it has been divided into 2 rows and single column. We got in the first plot as sine signal, second plot as cos signal. So this is about the generation. The time axis also you can check. I have started from 0 and I ended at 10. So from 0 to 10 only I got. If we give negative, it will continue. It will prolong. That's it. So this is about the generation of sine signal and cos signal in continuous mode. If you want to give it in the discrete mode, just what we have to define, I already discussed, we have to keep here stem instead of plot. That's it. So this is about the generation of sine signal and cos. These are very important and very easy topics, because in our next videos we may see the operations between the signals. There we use this sine and cos as much we want. So this is about the generation of two different signals. Thank you for watching.